Big, bigger, the biggest. My house is big. Big, bigger, the biggest. My house is big. His house is bigger. That house is the biggest. Small, smaller, the smallest. This dog is small. That cat is smaller. The hamster is the smallest. Fast, faster, the fastest. Volkswagen is fast. A BMW is faster. A Ferrari is the fastest. Tall, taller, the tallest. The Empire State Building is tall. The Shanghai Tower is taller. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest. Cold, colder, the coldest. Germany is cold. Norway is colder. Antarctica is the coldest. Easy, easier, the easiest. This exercise is easy. The next one is easier. The last one was the easiest. Interesting, more interesting, the most interesting. The book is interesting. The movie is more interesting. The game is the most interesting. The book is interesting. The movie is less interesting. The game is the least interesting. Difficult, more difficult, the most difficult. Spanish is difficult. German is more difficult. Chinese is the most difficult. Chinese is difficult. German is less difficult. Spanish is the least difficult. Good, better, the best. Your idea is good. His idea is better. Her idea is the best. Bad, worse, the worst. The weather is bad. Yesterday it was worse. Last month was the worst. Far, farther, the farthest. Lviv is far from Kiev. Warsaw is farther. New York is the farthest.